What's good, YouTube? This is the 2018 Alfa Romeo Key 5 LCD Smart Key. As you see right here, I should have had flash on this video, but let's just go ahead and get into the test real fast so y'all see. All right, lock, unlock, trunk, remote start. You know, you hit it twice on these. Cool. Let's do trunk again. You see the 433. Unlock. 433. I need to change the batteries in my tester. But other than that, this thing is rolling. Let's do the remote start. Hold it and hold the thing. Here we go. Remote start. Oh, let me hold that. There it goes. As soon as it activates, you see it. I got it set to hold the button twice for I think 2 seconds. I want to switch it to 3 seconds. I think that's going too fast for me. Other than that, everything showed up. I mean, everything worked out good. And I also have the 2017 Infinity Key 5 going back today. I just did a test on this. You'll see the video. And other than that, catch you guys later. Get it me at lcdsmartkey.com for Key 5 for your car or truck. And that's what I do. Thank you. See you guys later.
It's so astounding, that flow I found. Money counting, a man a clown, so I come to town. Let me pound it, I cut him down with a couple rounds, left him down. Yeah. Cause you a bad little bitty. Bad every nigga working, trying to bag little bitty. She shortin' niggas circus if the bag ain't pretty. Nah, she ain't finna twerk it if the bag ain't litty. Racks on me, we stocking shelves. No beef, we poppin' shells. You never been around no dealers, I can tell.